Good morning, math. Let's take on a circle folding problem. As shown in the figure, a semicircle has been folded. Find the length of segment AD. Alright, let's get started. Semicircle O is folded along line EF. As a result, the folded part touches the diameter AB. Let the point of tangency be C. We are given that AB is 6 and BC is 2. Let D be the intersection point of line EF and line AB, and the problem asks us to find the length of AD. In folding problems like this, the important idea is that the folded figure is congruent to the figure before it was folded. In this case, the folded part is a portion of a circle, so if we extend the arc and restore the entire circle, it looks like this. Let us call this newly formed circle O'. The first thing we notice from this is that line AB is tangent to circle O'. Point C is the point of tangency. Therefore, if we apply the power of a point theorem to circle O', we find that the product of DF and DE is equal to the square of DC. Let us call this equation 1. There is another circle in this figure, and that is circle O. We can also apply the power of a point theorem to this circle. When we do, we find that the product of DF and DE is equal to the product of DB and DA. Let us call this equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, we obtain that the square of DC equals DB times DA. Let the length of BD be A. Then the equation we just formed becomes the square of a plus 2 equals A times A plus 8. Expanding this, the squared terms cancel out and we get a first-degree equation in A. Solving this gives A equals 1. Therefore, the value we wanted, x, is the length of segment AD, so it equals 6 plus 2 plus 1, which is 9.